Today we design a website from a template, website template, which is designed from any websites. So I have one website template. So it looks in our website like in our browser like this. Its name is wooden wall. So it is a free css template, so you can download from anywhere and used for practice a design from a template, because some people haven't knowledge how to design a website template using a table tag or division tag. But now we are learning a website designing in table tag. So design we design this template using the table tag. Then after some time, then after some videos, we start a division tag designing in the 2 or 3 videos, after 2 or 3 videos. Because first you decide that how to design a website, like as a header, menu, content, footer. If you have knowledge about this, so you can start a design in division tag. But you haven't knowledge about this, or you didn't understand about this, so please continue with my video, because it is the most important things that how to design a website from template. So now I start a website from template. Now we have folder demo websites. I create a wooden wall folder in my demo website folder. I click drag and open in Sublime Text. So I get a wooden wall folder. I remove a demo website folder, remove folder from project. Okay, so we have a folder of wooden wall. It is full empty. First, if you have a template, then it's have images folder. So please copy this image folder and paste in wooden wall folder where it is located. Paste. Now for simplicity, I change a name of images folder and set a name of images folder is img, so I can easily write a code of this image folders. Okay, now we have a folder. Now I create a file. So select wooden wall folder, right click and new file, save file, Ctrl S and save file this on this folder. So write a name index.html. If you design a home page of any template, so you can set a first page of web page, name is index.html. Now save it. Okay, so you can see index.html in your folder. Now I write html, so I get a title of html. I write wooden wall, Depple and Xipra technology. Now without any external css we design this website, but this template is designed using external css, so we can't do this because we must design in table tag firstly. So now we design a table tag. Now this template have lots of images. It's look like this. In this, the main image is template mob body jpg. Okay, I open this image in my photo viewer, so it look like this, and this image is used in background of these websites. Then now second image is right like this, template move header. This image is located on header. Then after menu, then we have image of menu. This is the menu of the image of menu. Then this is the content image, so we have a content image. This is its name, template move body. Then we want this all type images, so we have all images of these websites. Now I designed a wireframe of my websites. So first, whole websites in center of display. So I write a first table. It's called main table. I call its main table. For all table are centered by this table. So I write a table, write ID of table main. Must provide ID for your future knowledge, because you find a table easily by name of ID. ID must be cell spacing 0, cell padding 0, border I provide 1 pixel, but I remove this border after removing a wireframe. Okay, so and width, how much width of this website. So please select whole image like as the header image. This header image is full width of our website, because header images start from this here and end here. So all website is completing in these pages using header. So we provide a width of header, we provide a width by header. So I write a width of header width. So select this image. Now right click on this and properties and go to details and see a width. What is width? 960 pixels. So checked a content width, it's also 960 pixels here. Okay, then check also its width, menu width, so it is also 960 pixels. So I provide a width of main table 960 px. Okay, now if you want to remove word wrap, then you can easily remove word wrapping. Now design tr and td. Okay, so you can design first main table. Now first we have a header, so I design a header table. So write a name of heat table. First I provide a comment of this table for this table. Write a comment header, and now I provide ID header. Then now cell padding 0, cell spacing 0, and border 1 pixel. Width, total width is 960 pixel. sorry, I didn't provide, sorry, I don't provide alignment of main table, so I forgot it. So I provide alignment, align center. So you can see, if I run this HTML base, right click, open with, and Google Chrome. So you can see this web page from here. I set a pin of this page, so we can see in center of table, in center, the table in centers. Now what is height of header? So I checked, right clicked of image of header, properties, detail, and it's a height 101. So I set a height of header table 101. Now tr and td. Okay, so you can see a table like this. Then after, please set a menu height and width. So you can see a menu like this. Provide a height of menus and properties, details. Its width also 960, but height is 40 pixels. So I design a menu. So I provide a comment, table cell spacing 0, cell reading 0. I provide a ID, menu, border 1, width 960, height 40. Okay, then now tr, td. So you can see a wireframe of menu. Then now you want to create, or you must create a content. So we have a content image, right clicked, properties, detail. Its width 960 pixels, its height 492 pixels. So you must provide a height and width of table of content. So now provide a content. Table, tr and td. Must provide this type of table. Provide id. I call a content cell spacing 0, cell padding 0, border 1 pixel, width 960, height 492 pixel. Refresh the wireframe of website, so you can see a box of wireframe. Then now you have a footer. This is, but we haven't any height or width of this page, so I provide approximate because you haven't any height. So now if you want set a fixed height, then right click here, inspect, and select and set, and here set a compute, and its height is total located here. Total height, sorry, select this tag footer, and you can see here a height 960 pixel and into 580 pixel, you can see it. So now we provide a footer, then provide a comment, ID footer, cell padding 0, cell spacing 0, border 1 pixel, width 960 pixel, and height 58 pixel. Save it. TD, you can see a wireframe of this page. Now a web page of this is touch, so I see after some time, but now I set images of this website, because I set images, then after I design this web page, then now I set images of this website. So first I provide a background of body, so style background, image URL, counts single quote, folder name img, and then image name. What is the image name? And template more body, we see its name, template more body dot jpg. So copy its name and paste here, save it. So you can see a background image of this web page like this. Now a first header image, so its name is template header.png, so select it, Ctrl A, copy name, and set the name of header. So set the name of set the background of header, so style background, image URL single quote img folder slash, save and refresh it. You can see like this, but here I get a space from top, so it's haven't any space of top. So body have by default margin in browser, so I remove a margin, set from setting, set a margin 0. So you can see it is touched at top. Now I remove a border of header, so I remove a border and set 0, then you can get border, remove border of header. Then now we want to provide a menu background, so we have this background, its name is a menu template menu.png, select this image, then now set background sorry, style background image URL single quote img folder slash image name. Save file and refresh it. You can get it. Now you can remove a border of menu box. So you set a 0 instead of 1. Now refresh it. So you can get it, a best result. Now you must provide a background of content, so you can set a background of content. So style background image URL single quote img folder slash name of background image. You must provide all backgrounds in a table tag, not in TD or TR, because it is split in new design. So it splits a whole background in new design. Okay, you can see a website's background. Now remove a border of content parts. So I remove border 1 to 0, and I can remove a border of footer also 0. Now we want to paste copyright, and we want a link here. So we provide a paragraph in p tag in footer tag, footer TD. So I paste this whole text of copyright, and then now I set a anchor tag and provide a link http://depple.in and select end of a tag and cut it and set an end of name. Then now you can provide a link of also here. So a tag provide http://depple.in select a and here, and also I set a tag http xim//depple.in, and I complete a close of a tag after Depple text. So we can see design of Depple tags here. So we want in center, then we provide in TD alignment, center, vertical alignment, middle. Okay, so you can see in center you must provide a color. So I can set a color property and provide a code of color. So you can see a color of code. We have I remove copyright symbol and write a write as code for copyright symbol. So you can see a copyright symbol in the websites. Now we must provide a size of font, then provide a font size in footer 12 pixels save it, refresh it. Okay, now you provide a color of all e-tag by separately write a code. So I provide a color and provide orange. Save it, refresh. You can see like this. I set 13 pixels of e-text, sorry, of in footer. For font size, I set color orange in whole e-text. Okay, now you can see like this. Now you can remove a border of main table. Set 1 to 0 and you can see a whole websites like this. Good, looking good. Now in header we want to write a wooden wall. We want to write a wooden wall and it's a tagline, free CSS template. So now I set in header, so I want to set a wooden wall and free CSS template in these sections. So now we must provide a title of header in new table. Cell padding 0, cell spacing 0, border we see 1 pixel. Now we provide a width of this box. So how much provide width for this box? So you can see this image, open, right click, open and edit in paint. Now you can find a width using a select tools. So I select tools and set here and provide a width. So we have 363, so I provide a 360 width of this and height 101, so I provide a height 100. Now how much space from start to here? So I select start to here and see a 103 space, so I set 105 space from start. Now how much is 360, so I provide 360 and height provide 100. Now provide a tr td, but we have two rows, wooden wall and free CSS template. So I set a height of first row 70 pixels and alignment center and vertical alignment V align, middle and okay. Now I click on this website, so like this. Okay, so I can click on this address. So provide a anchor tag, a tag, hyperlink, and provide a link of your website, homepage website. So I provide a dapple.in, but you have one page, so you can provide a home page name. So I have one page name, index.html. Now I provide a name, wooden wall. Then now you can design a new row. So we write a new row and new column. Set height of new column 30, alignment center, vertical alignment middle, okay. Now we have free CSS template, so I write free CSS template, and you can see this table here. Oh, save it and refresh this website. Where is it? You can't find this. Please check it. Oh shit. Please save and you can find. Okay, we can find this type of text, wooden wall, and free CSS templates. Now remove some heights, so I provide a 90 and save it and refresh it. So you can hit. Now you must provide a space from start, so you provide a margin, so provide a style, because we want a space from start. We can see in the image, edit image, so we want a space from start. How much space? 100. So I provide a space from start using margin, because margin is used to provide a space outside of table margin. But this margin, then left, and I provide 100 px, say semicolons, so you can get a text in the center. But your text isn't set here, so remove a height like that type, this type, so you can see what is the height. 72, I said 90, so I remove 20 also and said 70. Now you can see, oh, because we provide a height of this table 70, first row 70, so I remove 40. I remove 70 through 40, and this 24, sorry 20, I set 50. Total 2 rows height 70. So you can get like this. Okay. Now the table is not set in the first column, so I write realign top, save it and check. this table start as top. Now you provide alignment, center first, you check it, left, left, you can see left elements. Now provide some margin, you provide a 100 margin, so I provide 160 margin, so you can see like this here. Now provide a font size of this column, wooden bold titles column, so I provide a font size in anchor tag font size, so I provide 260 to 6 pixels. You can see a wooden wall in full size. It is also small, so I provide 32. Save it and check it. Oh, see, good. Now remove underline, text, decoration, none. Some people says none, but it says none. It's called by none. So I remove it and provide a color of, we see it, which is the color. So I select wooden wall text and inspect it. Now we have the wooden wall text and we have the code of this color. So what is the color of this? So you go to style and select this color as 600. Now let's provide here in color 600, and you can see the color of this. Yeah, we got it. Now remove border, set 0 of table border, so you can see without border. Now you can set we have want any font size, and I write a wrong spelling of wooden, sorry, because okay. Now you can see a title of wooden wall and title of websites. Now you must provide a menu, so your menu is start from here, the line by line. So what is the width of these? So now turn off menu, right click here, edit, so you can see a menu in paint. Now you can see, you can start from here your menu and end here menu. So what is the width of this? Select 776. Okay, so you have 780 pixels of this, or 760, 780, sorry, 780 pixel of man table. So you can now design a new one. I minimize the header table because you can find a menu table. Now minimize by select a line of number and click here, so you can minimize your table tag. Now in menu tag we design a new table, cell padding 0, cell spacing 0, border 0. You can provide a border 1, but after some time you can remove it. Then height 40 pixel like as menu, and width which is calculated by us 780 pixels and alignment center. So you can see a new menu box in the table like from here. It's good. Now you have a column of this box 1 2 3 4 5, total 5 columns and 6 column space here. So we can provide a column. So TR and TD. First, provide a width of this column. So total 5 columns and we have 780 pixels. So all columns have width 100 pixels, so we can have 500 pixels and other 380 pixels is removed. Next, also create a new column. So I provide a width 100 pixel, alignment center, vertical alignment middle. Now we have a link, so we write a e tag href. I haven't any page like this, so I provide in as I write home, save, check it. Like this. Now we provide a font family at whole for whole website. So I provide a font family in body family Vardhana. Save, refresh, so we can see font Vardhana. Now provide a small font, so font size small, so we can see small font. Now remove underline, so I set a style in e tag and text decoration none. Font size put 30 pixel, 12 pixel, save. Oh, it's small, too small, so I provide 30 pixels and check it. Also too small, so provide 40, save, check it, refresh it, home, okay. Font weight, all websites have font weight. No. Font weight bold, so you can see a bold font. Now you can see a black color of font, so I set a font color as 090909, so I can see like as a black color. Now we provide other column. And write about us. Okay, you can see like this. Now services, gallery and contact us. Services, gallery, contact us, and extra one column for space. So I set this column. Total we have 780 total width for this table, main table, menu table. So I provide a 500 width of all separate column. Now other width provide here. So total 500 780 minus 500, so I get 380. So you can see like this box. Now you provide a services, services, services. Now gallery, now contact us, you can see this box. Now remove a border of whole table, so set 0 of border. So you can see a menu, but the first menu is pressing down, like as pressing down. So we have image for this. It's named template menu, template menu underscore hover dot png. So I set this image at first column. It's a home. So I provide style, background, image, URL, single quote, img folder / file name. Save it and check, refresh the browser. You can see like this. Okay, now we have a content parts. We have two columns. It's content. So we design a content part, but the content part is start from a menu here, so in middle. So how to decide it? So I select this box, open in paint. Now you can find it start here, approximate start here, it's here. So corner to it's here. Now open paint, you have image. So I start here and close here. What is the width? 750, yeah, 710 pixel. Okay, 710 pixel. So we can design. First I minimize the menu table. Now in content we design a table ID, table content, table content, cell spacing 0, cell padding 0, width also 710 pixel. Now height, what is the height of this table? So it start from here and here. So you can find a height like this, start from here and here. So what's the height? 350. So I save it, height, IGST 350. I provide a border 1 pixel and set the alignment center. Now TR TD, save and refresh the table, so you can see like here. Now provide a vertical alignment middle in TD, so I provide the align middle, save it and refresh it. But we want a space from here to here. So what is the space from start? And you can see 75 pixels. So remove middle to top, so you can see a table in top of the box here. Now provide a margin of table content table, so style margin but from top, so I set the margin top 75 pixel and you can see a 75 pixel from top, so it is also here. So I provide 75 to 85 and you can see like here. Okay, this is the paste. Now we have two columns, so I say this column name left and I write second column name and I set right. Now we start a left parts of websites. So we have introductions, image, paragraph and other paragraph. So we design a new table for left part. So I write ID left, cell spacing 0, cell padding 0, border 1 pixel, width, how much width provide it? So first we provide a part left part TD, a width of left part TD. So we have total width of this table is 710. So I divide in two parts, so we have 355. So I provide 355. Then alignment left and vertical alignment top. Then also this configuration also providing second TD, but alignment right, V alignment top. Now this table we provide this table with, because we have some space, so we provide this table with is 330. So we can get now table TR and TD, save it and refresh this content. So we have a width, we have two columns, but in this we have this table. Now I remove a border of table content, so 0. So we can see, we can't see any border, we can't see any two column, we see only this box. Now we have title, introduction in this left part, so I write introduction, copy this text and paste here introduction, but it is a title, so I provide h2 tag and provide introduction in h2 tag. So you can see a paste in here. Now you can set a color and remove a margin of this. So I set margin 0, color light green, save, refresh. You have these colors, but we can't see this, so I select introduction, inspect, and copy this code of color and close it, and then paste in replace the green. So you can see this whole color like this. Okay, now provide a height of this TD. So I provide height 40, alignment left, vertical alignment middle, save it. Okay, now you want set image. So first, for space, provide a new row and ignore this row because we want a space. So I provide a height 30 pixel, save it. Now you want a new row and new TD and set the image name is here template mo 01. So select, copy, and see here. Now you want image tag and folder / paste. How to recognize it? That I set image tag instead of background, because I click this image and drag here, so we can see a image in drag cursor. So it's have image tag. Now we see a image in our box like this. Okay, but remove a border of this part and remove. So set 0 and refresh. So we have like this, but we must provide a border of this image. So I provide border style, border, and 3 pixel reads RADZE and color light gray like this. Okay, we have black color, so I set save, check what is the color. Okay, now you can set 4 pixel. Now you refresh it. Now we have a text, so I select this text, copy, and I paste in new row. New TD and set the paragraph tag and paste this text. Save it. You can see using refresh here, but you can't. You have this font in small, so must be provide a margin 0 in PTEG, font size 11 pixel, and font style italic. Okay, so you and then provide a color of this image white. HIT. Save and refresh this like this. Now you must provide a paragraph after this paragraph, so you can create new row, new column, and new paragraph, and save, refresh. So you can see this paragraph. Now set the color, style, color light gray. I provide light gray, so you can see like this. Okay, also it is, and provide a font weight size again pixel, so save it. Provide 12 pixel. Okay, now we have a space between two line, so I provide a space between two line. The property is line height, so I provide line height 16 px. So you can see a line height within two line, but it can't effect. Say it. Yeah, again. Now new approaches. So we want this. So first I copy this whole table of left. So select left table, copy, and minimize a left sections of table, and paste in right, and change ID of this table right. Now we have a title of this new approaches. So copy, paste, replace the introduction in right part table, paste. Now so you can get a new approaches. Now paragraph, so you didn't need this box, so remove by me, save it and refresh it. So you can see like this. Remove some text, because copy the text from here and paste it. Select this, save, I set. Now provide a color of this box, so I provide a color 999, save and refresh. So so you can get a light color of this box. Now you set this list as image and box. So we have this images, so all image have width, so I select image properties and go to details and width 24 and height 24. So we provide a new column and save it. Okay, now table, provide a name of table, list, cell spacing 0, cell padding 0, I provide a border 1 pixel, width, total width of this box. Now provide a row and provide a column, but we have two boxes. I didn't provide a width, so I provide a width of list table. Total width of this box is, I minimize first row, title row, and minimize the paragraph row. Now set we have 330 width of main table, right table, so I set this box 300. Sorry, this box 250. Now we can see box. So now we want set two columns, but first I provide a margin from left, then margin dash left and provide 30 pixels, so we can see margin left 30 pixels. Now I provide a width of first column, so provide a style width, without style I provide width, sorry, I provide it, so width 240 pixel and height 240, sorry 240. Now here I replace image and tag slash and first image for this, so I set image name and create new TD and provide a width, total width 250, remove 24, then 226 and height 24, alignment left and vertical alignment middle. Now provide a name of this, so select a name and provide in link, so because I have select like this pointer cursor, so I provide a link and paste it. Now you can see this box like this. Now please space between icon and text. So I provide a space using a padding because I want to provide a space in table or TD. So I use the padding from left and total provide padding 15 pixel because I have so we have space between text and icon. Now we provide a color of 8x, so provide color orange and remove underline text decoration none and remove a border of table, so we can see 0, we can set 0 of border, so you can see like this. Now copy whole box, whole row and paste here. Second, total we have 5 list, so paste it. Second, third, fourth and fifth. Okay, now refresh this box, so you can get this type of list. Now you can change image and text, change image and text. Select this text and provide in second row as a title of list and change image name. We have image calendar, so we have calendar image of 10/11. Then minimize this row of 10/17. Change the name of all images. Third round 17 and 4 settings 21 and 12. And 12. I am not changing the title of this because this video is going to huge size. So we can design a website from templates. Okay, so we cover all parts of this. Recognize the header, menu, content, and footer. Recognize the image which set in the website sections. Find sorry, we have likes problem, so I stop this video at here. Please like my video, share my video and must subscribe my channel for latest updates of web designing tutorials, .NET, PHP, Androids. I post in future whole languages tutorial in my channel. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and share my video. Okay, bye.